Alrighty y'all, welcome back, and I'm going to show you a very interesting recipe today. If you're looking for that way to take your sausage dogs up to the next level, or you're just kind of getting bored of regular old sausage dogs, this is the perfect recipe for you. I call them loaded sausage dogs, so let's get into it. So the ingredients for this recipe are super simple. All you're going to need is, of course, some regular sausage dogs, or in this case, they are hot pork Italian sausage dogs. A little bit of cream cheese, I've already got it separated on the plate here. Some bacon bits, and some mozzarella cheese, or any cheese of your liking. Alright, so like I said, super simple recipe. We're just going to get into these sausage dogs here. Cut a little slit in the top of the package, and we're going to pull them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect recipe. Honestly, also a pretty cheap recipe. So, in the package, they've already kind of gotten flattened outside. That's perfect for what we're about to do. We're going to take our knife and just cut a slit the length of it. We're not cutting through it, we're just cutting the length of it. I'll move my hand so y'all can see it a little bit better. Boom, like that. So we're just gonna cut a slit along the sausage dogs. We're cutting through that casing. That's gonna open them up like a hot dog bun. It's gonna make them real nice. Alright, so we've got them cut. Now we're going to pull them apart like that hot dog bun. We're kinda gonna open them up. That might seem a little counterintuitive to take a perfectly good sausage dog, but this is just trying to take it to that extra level. Trying to get all that goodness in there. Look at that. Perfection. I'm going to wash my hands real quick because I've touched raw pork, which is very dangerous if you don't wash your hands. Then I'm going to get into adding the other stuff. So now that we've got our sausage out there, we're going to take a little bit of cream cheese and we're just going to cut a sliver with the cream cheese. This is also why I pre-separated the cream cheese, because you can actually save time, use the same knife, but you're going to contaminate that cream cheese. That's why I've pre-separated like that. Boom, like so. And you can add as much cream cheese. Some people love cream cheese, some people don't. All you're really doing is adding a little bit of fat to it, and it's going to really cream up inside that junk. I'll throw a little bit more right on that end cap right there. Look at that. And the other good thing about this is you don't really have to soften your cream cheese. You can actually more or less just jump right into it. Your grill's already going to be hot when you put it on, so it's going to be good to go. Look at that. Boom. Cream cheese where we want it. Now, I call them loaded sausage dogs because they're kind of like a loaded baked potato. Just instead of sour cream, we're going to put a little cream cheese. So I'm going to take this mozzarella now, and we're just going to sprinkle it all over the top of them. Oh, that's going to be good. Finally, to top it off, you can honestly add whatever you want. Jalapenos, some cowboy candy. Maybe I'll make a video talking about that. But I'm going to top it with some good old bacon. Why not add pork sausage with bacon? It's essentially pork on pork, bacon on bacon. You can't go wrong. Look at that. All right. Now that we've got them ready, we've got a grill sitting about 275, 300 degrees, and we're going to go pop them on for about 25 to 35 minutes, really until the sausage is done. So keep an eye on them. You'll know when it's done if you've ever cooked sausage dogs before. Let's get out there and do that. All right, so we got the grill sitting about 300 degrees. We're just going to pop it open, and we're going to throw them on the rack. So we're going to let them sit on the grill for about 25 to 35 minutes. We'll come back and check on them in about 25. If they're not quite ready yet, we're going to give them an additional 10, and then they will be good to eat. About 35 minutes later, they are all good to go. We're just going to pick them up here with the tongs, and would you look at that? Man, they look good. That one wanting to slip out of my hand there. Oh yeah. Let's take them inside, let them rest for about 10 minutes so those juices can seep back in. We'll throw them on a hot dog bun or eat them just like this, and let's get to tasting. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. We're just gonna pick up one of these suckers right here, drop it down into it. Oh, look at that. I can already not wait for that. Here we go. That's good stuff. I'm very happy. No ketchup needed, no toppings needed, straight as it is, perfect sausage dog, perfect loaded sausage dog. I'm going to let my fiance try it here in just a second, but I got to get one more bite. That's good stuff. Kind of hot.
Very good.
Good? Awesome. Alright, y'all, so that completes our recipe for loaded sausage dogs. I really encourage you to do it yourself. It's pretty simple, easy, not a ton of cleanup. You'll have it all said and done in 45 minutes. Dishes in the dishwasher, food on the plate. It's going to be great if you give it a go. So if you will, like, share, subscribe, do all of that, but only if you want to, only if you enjoyed the video. Really, dislikes don't get us anywhere, let's be quite honest. And I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. A lot of cool stuff planned. See y'all.